Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. Today I started off with my Cuticula Peel-Off Base Coat and I also applied around my cuticles on 3 nails my Born Pretty Liquid Latex. I applied this Kiss Gel Strong Polish on all my nails in the shade Call Me Nude. On my middle and ring finger I applied the SpaRitual called Harvest, and for the Smooshy these are the polishes that I used. I apply several drops of the polishes onto my nail and then smoosh it down with my stamper until I'm happy with the results. Then I apply my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat and remove the liquid latex. I clean off any excess with a nail art brush dipped in acetone, and this is what I ended up with. Now I'm ready to stamp. I'll use my Bundle Monster stamping plate, Chic BM-XL473. I pick up 2 images and stamp them directly onto my nails. And the manicure is complete. I love the way it turned out and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!